Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about the Ummah. Do you know, kids? What is Ummah? Ummah is like one body. If one part hurts, all feel it. Kids, in the Ummah, skin color or language doesn't matter, only Islam. Kids, our Ummah follows the Qur'an, the book of Allah. Do you know, kids, what is the importance of Ummah? The Ummah is strong when we love and obey Allah. The Ummah prays together facing the Kaaba. In the Ummah, we share food, smiles, and kindness. Kids, the Ummah teach us to say salam and spread peace. Kids, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us that Muslims care for one another. Every child is a small part of the big Muslim Ummah. Kids, together the Ummah shines with Iman like stars in the sky. Al-Kabir Publisher is an Islamic institute. We create beautiful, easy to understand Islamic books filled with colors and lessons that help children learn about Islam with knowledge and joy. Our mission is to nurture young hearts to love the Prophet ﷺ and to walk the path of goodness. Al-Kabir Publisher, where every page shines with fragrance of faith.